Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is SandraZarina, and today's video is gonna be something I think I have done before, but then I decided I was gonna do a better one this time because I've learned some new editing techniques, and I want to try to implement them in this video. But the whole point of this video is to show you guys what I do during the day if I have no work. So if you don't know this, in my past videos I've told you guys I work 9 shifts. That means I work from 9 p.m. to around 8:30 in the morning the next day. So because of that working schedule, I have to sleep during the day so I could have enough rest to work in the evening. But then I have certain days off during the week, and those days that I have off, it means I don't have to work during the night either. So I try to get productive stuff done during the day so I could try to sleep during the night, which is really hard because it means I'm switching my whole sleep schedule, and those are one of the reasons why I really have sleeping problems. But I've been trying to find ways to make it work by making myself really productive during the day so I get a little bit tired and then I'm able to sleep during the night. So without further ado, let's just go straight into this video. And I started by taking my laundry off my bed, not my laundry, sorry, my sheets, because I decided I was gonna do all my laundry together today, not in one go, like not in one pile, but like I want to do all my laundry today. Okay, if you don't know, I have like 3 roommates and we all share one washer and dryer. Took my sheets off and then I just clean and organize my nightstand. I really apologize if you guys keep hearing this weird sound. It's just a sound that keeps repeating in the barracks room. If you don't know, I live in a military barracks room and it's just happened. It's just been happening since I moved here. So the next thing is organizing my drawers. So I have my drawers divided into 4 sections. One is for my t-shirts and stuff. The bottom one is for my shorts, pants, and then the other one is for my underwear. And then, socks and etc. And then the last drawer, which is the 4th drawer, I use as my snack drawer because I don't have enough space in the kitchen to store all my food because, we're females. We have a lot of groceries and stuff, so we are out of cabinets. So I just use my last drawer as my snack drawer. And then this portion right here, I use it as a little storage because I don't have a TV and I don't plan on buying a TV anytime soon. So for now it's just gonna be storage for the stuff that I don't need at the moment. And also another reason I don't want to have a TV is because I'm in the Navy and we move a lot and I don't have a car. So when it gets to the point where I have to move out of the barracks room, I'm going to be struggling. I wouldn't know what to do with a TV and I don't want to go through that. But yeah, and I'm just going to be doing some more cleaning, like, cleaning my countertops because it's a lot of dust. It gets really dusty very easily over here. So I just try to wipe down all my countertops and dexes every time that I think I could do it.
Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me, one fixed. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different.
I just unpacked the rest of my stuff that were in my little luggage, and then I cleaned and organized the bathroom. Currently cleaning the mirrors right now with the glass cleaner, and I'm sorry if you guys keep hearing this sound. It's really irritating, but I don't think I can do anything about it for now. So I got this little organizing thingy from Shein. When I say this is like the most useful thing I've ever gotten from Shein, aside from clothes. Like, if you know this, like if you guys can relate, I don't have like a necklace stand. One of like them fancy necklace stands, you just hang your necklaces on them so they don't get like tangled and stuff. I don't have any of that, so I usually put all my jewelries in like a bag, I have like a little purse for like my jewelries. So I usually do that, and then on the day I want to wear them, they all get so tangled together, and I have to spend like over 30 minutes try to detangle this necklaces. But after finding this storage box, oh my god, like this is such a life changer. It's like a game changer because it has this little compartments where you could put each individual necklace or earrings or rings into, but then after that you could close the little compartment and then put them in the big case so it's all together, if you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And also I get most of my jewelries from Forever 21 or H&M and probably Shein, like every once in a while. But I pretty much like it from Forever 21 because they have so many options and they're really, really cute. And the reason why I don't spend so much money on necklaces is because I am stationed in the military. I'm in the military, currently stationed in Washington, and I don't really have any fancy place to go. I don't really have fancy events to attend. I don't have family out here, like none of that. So I don't really go out to fancy places. So I don't see the point in spending so much money on jewelry if I'm not gonna, have it for any important event. So most of my jewelries are for like, everyday wear, like to work pretty much, and just, wear around. So I prefer to buy the cheap ones that are really pretty but not expensive either. So I spend usually like $10 and below on each jewelry, and I'm kind of happy with it. So, and it works for me. But yeah, you guys should check Forever 21. Like, y'all be sleeping on Forever 21 and H&M jewelry. Like, they really, really have pretty design, and they're really cute. Like, so cute. I wish I could show. I mean, I tried showing them, but I hope you guys can see from this angle, like the jewelries I got. They're so pretty. And I also wear stud earrings all the time. I rarely wear hoops, but I just got one hoop just in case, I have a day I want to wear a hoop, which I don't really wear, but just, to have as a backup, just in case I need them, But I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video and stop doing too much talking, because I feel like I've been doing too much talking from the beginning of the video. I just get carried away when I'm, watching my video and, doing a voiceover, because I feel like I want to talk to you guys, but I'm just gonna, stay back and watch with you guys, right?
No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Got till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other money. body.
So I found the green juice and I really like them. I mean, I've watched a lot of videos on how to make them, like how people make their green juice. So I've actually put the ingredients together and then I decided to do that and then record the process for you guys. So the reason I chose to make the green juice or drink the green juice is because it has so many benefits, and one of the benefits is a really good detox. Now, when I say a detox, I'm not trying to say it necessarily cleans the whole body, because it doesn't work that way, because we have organs, assigned to do its job. So this is pretty much just to do like a mild detox, just to clean your system if you've not been eating right. It has like nutrients, especially with the spinach. It has so many nutrients. All these are fresh vegetables, and I use the green apple as a sweetener. That's the only sweetener that I have in this juice, and all these are fresh fruits and vegetables that have like all their nutrients. So I'm also taking it because I feel like the past weeks I've not been eating really healthy, so I feel like this is gonna restore the nutrients that I've been lacking in my meals. And to top it up, I'm hoping that it tastes good because it looks really green and really nasty. And after that, I'm gonna be making dinner. I'm making a simple dinner, which is pretty much shrimp, salmon, and then some veggies. I tried recording the process, but then my phone died like in the middle of the video of the meal, so I didn't record the whole process, which I really go mad about, but then I'm over it now, so we're just gonna move on.
And then they been begging for shit, style, my hoes about it. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride it. This nigga's all years old. Shiny on the drive it look like a demo every time we kick it like.
So you guys, I know I've not been talking much because I've been trying to get things done, but I'm like done with most of the things for the most part. Like right now I'm just waiting for my laundry, my sheets, so I can make my bed, and then I have one more set of laundry to do, and then pretty much I already took a shower, so I was just doing my like night routine when it comes to my skincare, like wash my face, brush my teeth, and that's pretty much it. And I just ate dinner. So this is the green juice actually, and I already took a sip. I actually thought it was gonna be bad, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be really, really nasty, but bro, this is why I need a tripod. I actually don't have a tripod, but I don't feel like sitting it up. I wish I could have one of the little mini ones. And I'm changing the setting, the light setting, because it's a little too bright, but yeah. Okay, so it really isn't that bad. I could actually be drinking this. I thought it was gonna be really, really like nasty, but it's not bad. I'm not gonna lie, I like this. I could drink. I don't know if it's because I added a little more water to make it watery, because I don't have the juice machine, the juice extractor. I don't have that, so I just like filtered it. I used strainer. I strained it and added water to. It's not bad at all. I mean, for me, it's not bad.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty from goals on. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the these niggas go. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. You ain't gotta do it none of these. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man. Now you want to shoot with